Okay, let's start to write the code. First, I import relevant modules. I use argument parser to pass arguments to our program. Using LSB hide method, we can hide our secret message inside the image. LSB stands for least significant bit. It is the most common method used for steganography. Here the secret message extraction part. That's it. It is simple as that. Now we are going to run our program. To run this code, we need to install Stegano module using pip. I have already installed it. So we'll go ahead. According to our program, if we are going to do Stegano, we have to put -s, then the image file path. Then the message we are going to hide. Finally, the output file path, which is the image with hidden message. I have some indentation issues with my code. Let me correct it. Okay. It is done. Let's compare the output image and original image. Images are same. Let's use EXIF tool to extract metadata of our output file. To check whether our secret is in metadata. Our secret message is not in metadata. Let's check strings contained in our file. Secret is not in there also. It is confirmed that our secret embedded to the image file without a trace. Now let's extract our secret from image file. To do that, we only have to pass the image file path to our program with itag. This is a test. We got our secret from encoded image. That was image steganography. How can we do steganography on audio files as shows in Mr. Robot TV series? In this TV show, Elliot, which is the main character, hide encrypted data in audio files and burn them into CDs. Here is a good Python project in GitHub for audio steganography. Hidden Wave is a good Python project for audio steganography. I have already downloaded it. In the documentation, it clearly shows how to do the audio steganography and extract the message. Let's do some steganography with this. It's done.